How's it going? We're here for day 68 of Fergal Scahill's Fiddle Tune Day 2017. We're in Milwaukee tonight, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I have Jeff Ksiazek with me here, who's going to play a tune on the guitar. Jeff is from the great band athas, and we're currently under the pipe organ in the Irish Cultural Heritage Centre because they opened the house and we had to find a sneaky spot to play, so we're under a pipe organ. And we're going to play the Rolling Wave, which is also called?
The Humour's a Trim.
The Humour's a Trim, lovely. Hey. Thanks a million, Jeff. See you tomorrow for day 69.